Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to utilize Instagram Insights to analyze your performance. First, you must open up your Instagram application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your page. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then tap on the Insights option in this menu. Once you're in the Insights page, you can review your content is performing. You can check your total followers and other details here. You can also assess the performance of previous days, like the last 30 or 90 days or even a month. Use Insights to inform your content strategy and experiment with different types of content, posting times, and engagement methods. Continuously monitor your performance and make adjustments based on what works best for your audience. Instagram regularly updates Insights with new features, so stay updated on those changes and adjust your analysis to gain a better understanding of your performance. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.